man, it's also okay, man. Let's just get into today's topic, right? Without wasting any further time, guys. So today, I'd like us to talk about sexual transmitted infections and diseases. It's always high, right? So my STIs and my STD, well, practically, we get them through sexual intercourse, right? So is can be any form of sexual intercourse. It is where we get infected. Yeah. So okay, when it comes to this, it all depends on hygiene. And yes, it all depends on hygiene. Okay, and things like that. You need to be clean. Your partner needs to be clean. When performing, when performing, uh, maybe around that, but it's having sexual intercourse, and now you're not practicing safe sexual intercourse. It is now whereby it's maybe hygienically clean, right? You need to be clean inside and out. Now you need to be clean inside and out. Not in form of izinto zomoya no, but nje physically you need to be clean, ugezekile naye abagezekile, right? So this weekends the chances of being infected sexual transmitted infections and diseases, right? So sexual transmitted infections and diseases, right? When it comes to male, hematogenins. So when it comes to males, is one ibhani, like it's something ezovelenje into emzimbeni sithiyele libhani, and then uzoba ne-drop uthi uvuke kusasa mhlambe umphambili uvuvukile, all such things yabo, and then uzoba ne-rash, which is ibhani, right? And then uzoba nesisu nje esibuhlungu, umane nje uhlushwe isisu nje sibe buhlungu every now and then, now and then uzo-understand ukuthi why, yabo. And then kube ukuthi I forgot the last one, but it will come back, and then mase now it is now ukuthi usuya esikhathini kakhulu, mhlawumbe uyazi ukuthi okay, inyanga enjengengena isikhathi esinye, but now so mixed lezo inkathi lezo, and then now wapha kakhulu internal bleedings often, bese kuba yeah, ukuvaleka nesibeletho, yeah, nje ukukera isimo esikhona ukuzala abantwana. The reason such things happen is because multiple partners, and then partners used to tend to cheat, and babuya nalezi zinto, right? And then bazitheleka thina without knowing ukuthi if these things, and then they affect us, and then kusasa uze umuntu asekho mhlawumbe emzimbeni okusuyaqhubeka ungazi ukuthi inkinga ikuphi, kanti kusuke kwabakuthi laphaya azange asese kahle, yabo. So we need to be vigilant when it comes to that, and then we need to protect ourselves too, guys. Practicing safe sex is not a sin. It's not a sin, guys. I know but we need to practice safe sex, guys, because STIs, sexual transmitted diseases and infections, if not cured, they can lead to you actually ending up with the virus, the human immune virus, which is HIV. So we need to be careful with these things, guys. And then the places we use, guys, and doing toilet, So yeah, man, that's it from me to you. I hope what I've shared today or uplift, inspire, and grow, and educate most importantly. So yeah, guys, that's it. My interview. Yeah. So let's be careful and do blood sharing, guys. Please, guys, please. If sisimene sinjalo mhlawumbe udokotha njengamane nelicabanga abantu-ke manje, please, like, use gloves or like nje fihla lento leyo, like try in most cases ukuthi uyivikele because ama-infections in most cases angena kanjalo, angena kanjalo in most cases. I mean, we ignore these things. So ama-smokers, hygiene is the most important one. So we need to cater for these things, and then yeah, this is what my shop. But then in everything, and in everything, and everything. Now always say that